Hey there planners, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have for you some new Erin Condren travel items. They sent me a couple of things from their new spring collection. So if you guys want to take a look, then keep on watching. So welcome to the channel, I'm Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by. So today I'm excited to share with you some new travel collection by Erin Condren. This is their spring on the go. I have some fun bags to share with you for organization. I also have some planner items to share with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in. So I think the first thing I want to share with you guys are the bags. I have a couple here to share with you, and then I'll share like a couple of planner items that they sent me. Okay, so the first bag we're going to talk about here is the watercolor stripes clear crossbody stadium bag. So this is the original that they have online. You may have seen it, but in a different collection or theme. Maybe it was metallic. This is actually my first stadium bag, so this is kind of nice. Especially in the summertime or in the spring where you go to all the theme parks or vacation. Some places require that you take a clear bag, so this comes in handy. This one's really cute because it's the watercolor stripe collection, and I love the outlining. Super cute. This bag, actually, there's another size, a little tote that I really like. It's a leopard one. I'll try to insert some clips of some of the other products that are available. This collection is available March 9th, so if you guys want to check that out, the link will be down below. It's an affiliate link, but I do appreciate if you guys decide to shop to use my link. Okay, so yeah, this is super cute. I'm excited to try this out. It has like the little handles on the side, and it's a zip pouch with an actual insert pocket on this side, no pocket on the other side. So this will be really fun to carry around, especially in the spring and summer times, especially on the go. So they did send me a strap to go with it. I actually do have this strap. This is the neutral watercolor stripe. It's really pretty, and I paired this up with the canvas blue tote that they have that I bought around, I think, Black Friday. This one's really pretty, so I will probably save this and pass this along because I already have this one, but it's really pretty. However, I just don't think that these two go together. What I can suggest is that they do have one like this that's like more of a striped two-toned, I guess. It's more of like a cream ivory color. Again, I'll insert a photo, but I think that one would match this bag really, really well. So I may end up getting that one, or I think there's a Hello Kitty one. I don't know if it's still on the site, but it has like flowers on it, and I think that would be really cute if you're into Hello Kitty. And I think that would be pretty for the spring and summer. Okay, so that's the cute little bag. Again, this is so cute for essentials, for, you know, taking your kids to the zoo, going on those vacations. This is Disney too, that would be cute. So that's the cute little stadium bag. Okay, let's talk about this cute little bag. So this is like the accordion bags, if you're familiar with those. They're like a cute little bag to organize everything that you need with you on the go. And these are customizable, so they have different prints and they have different colors. I think there's like a brown color or camel color, maybe that's what it's called. Either I'll insert some clips or stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll have like a little slideshow or something. But yeah, so this comes in like a cream white or a brown, and it has different designs, and most of the times it's the themes that you've seen in Life Planners collection. So this one's called Blush, and it's the Colorful Cosmo Custom Accordion Zipper Pouch. So I just wanted to give you guys the correct name for it, but once you hit the link, oh, mine's a little bent right there. You guys see that? It's a little bent. You can see all the different options and colors, but it is customizable. So it comes in blush, neutral, and rust. Not camel, sorry. So it is canvas, so you may be able to wash this or maybe spot wash it. I have the larger totes, the Star Wars one. I haven't washed it yet, but if I did, I'd probably maybe wash it inside out, and I don't know if I would dry it just because of the iron-on. I would be scared that it would peel up. So I don't have tags to share with you on washing instructions, actually. It could be on the site, but yeah, so this little accordion organizer it's cute. You know, again, it's great for traveling. It does say travel on it, so I don't know if this is something that you can customize separately or if they all come with the word travel on it, but I love the florals. It's really pretty. This would actually be great for moms in the car, like having essentials in here at all times, because I am someone who does that. I have like this is why I'm a big tote person. I carry so many essentials with me, but I like having sanitizing wipes and sanitizer. I like having lotion, chapsticks, a little bit of like mint or something. But anywho, this is super cute, and of course it flattens out when you want to store that. So I think these are really cute, and they make really good gifts. All right, so that is the Colorful Cosmo, a custom accordion zipper pouch. Okay, next up, this is new. This is actually new. This is a small crossbody bag blush in the color blush. I think this comes in another color. I think it's it's a brown color. And yeah, this is kind of like a wallet. In the photo, I thought it was like a smaller wallet, but it's a rather large wallet, and that's cute. This is really great for on the goes. I love purses like this, especially when you're at the theme park, so you don't have to carry so much. Or when I used to take my kids roller skating, I always used to have like a smaller bag with me because I didn't want to use the lockers. But yeah, so you can put your phone in there. It's got card slots on the other side, so you have 3 there. You can put a pen in there. You can probably put a smaller notepad if you needed to. But yeah, it's pretty flat. I love this feature. This is always great to have a pocket on the outside of your purse. It has detachables, so you can change this out if you have another strap that will fit this. It's nice that it's super flat, so it will fit in your luggage, won't take up too much space, and it's just something that you need to have, like your wallet, your ID, maybe your health card, your phone, and stuff like that. And I like that it is a flat bag, so that way you can pack it easy. The next thing is the packing cubes that Erin Condren has. I think this is my first, actually. I have the accordion zipper pouches. I don't think I have their packing cubes. So you guys have seen this before, I think. This isn't new to their spring collection. This is the mid-century circle. So if you haven't seen these, this is something you can add to your shopping cart if you're in need of new packing cubes, which I have to say packing cubes are a lifesaver. I do own some, but not Erin Condren. And so this comes with a set of 3. It has the mesh. So I'm assuming it's like large, small, and medium. Oh, it's actually a little different. Okay. So you have like this big pouch. So this is really great for the water parks, I think. Yeah, really great for the water parks, really great for those on-the-go quick weekend trips, like putting your essentials that you need, like if you're going to be with a friend or something, you can just stash your stuff in here. This is really cute. I love the mid-century circle. But packing cubes are really great to have. It helps with packing easier, and you have everything in one bag. I do use packing cubes when I travel, so if you're interested, they do have this available, and I think it does come in other prints. So let's share the planner items. Okay, so they sent me 3 items here. So we have like this cute packing list notepad that has essentials, toiletries, clothes and accessories, miscellaneous tech, shoes, entertainment, and snacks, which are really handy if you go to planner conferences or any conference that you like, that's you know, your love and hobby. So this is super great for you, especially like rough draft, like to get everything out of your head. These notepads are like the best. So they sent me this, and they may have other options where you can customize this. Erin Condren's really great about customizing. They also sent me, which this is something I bought for my mother-in-law for Christmas. This is the A5 traveling notebook, and it's so cute. She absolutely loved it. So you have 3 tabs here: details, the trip, and recap notes. And of course you can change the covers. If you decided you wanted to customize your own cover, that would be kind of cute if you do travel a lot, or if you have like a bucket list. You can take some of your own photos, or maybe Pinterest, just depending on the, you know, the copyright, but taking your own photos, and I know Erin Condren has that option. I just don't know if they have it in the A5 option. So you'll definitely have to double check that. So yeah, you have information for flights, transportation, reservations, activities to do, places to visit. Like, I thought this was super cute for her because she is, you know, traveling all over, and so she can document that. So this would be a great gift as well. And okay, so you have a monthly view, it's undated. You have an itinerary at a glance, up to 14 days. And you have like these daily pages, so today's plan, reservations, places to eat. This would also, like some of these pages you could use for Disney. Like if you go to Disney a lot, either in Florida or California, this could be a great little go-to little notebook for that. Or maybe cruises, if you take cruises. I have used the travel one, but in the petite. Just some rough notes, places we ate. You can customize, you know, you can cover these up and maybe just put photos. Oh, you do get a sheet of stickers, that's fun. And that's it. That is this cute little spiral little travel notebook. It's a quick glance at the cute little A5 travel notebook. And then lastly, I received the color changing pens. Now these just came out recently. They had a whole new set of writing tools that just came out. I unfortunately haven't had the chance to purchase any. I was going to get, I think, the new gel colored pens. So these seem a little interesting. It says write it down, plan it out, color it in, and change it up. Definitely have to play with these and figure out how these work. So we have 6 colors here: orange, a blue, a brown, a purple, or any, like some purple tones, blue tones, and then the ends are different. Okay, I'm gonna try to take these out so I can figure out these pens. Okay, so it tells you on the back what colors they change to. So amethyst to lilac, pine to blue, teal to neon green, brown to tangerine, orange to yellow. So it's fun and functional ways to use these color changing pens. Color code your calendar, schedule notes, and more. Interesting. All right, let's try to test these out. Okay, so let's try to test these pens out. So this one must be amethyst to lilac. And I'm just gonna like kind of doodle first. I think you're supposed to use the end. That is interesting. So they're kind of like maybe like a friction pen That is crazy. I think this is just, again, a fun, functional way, like they said, but you know, you could change the colors and color code, basically changing the colors when you want to list out your plans. But that's kind of fun. This would be fun with like lettering. I'm not really good with lettering, but I don't know how this would work with like thickness if you like kind of colored some of the words like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the rest of these. They're a little scratchy. I don't know if I need to warm them up a little bit. And they are skipping. So I'm gonna try to like, maybe I should swatch it like that first, just to get it going. It still feels a little scratchy. They're not as smooth. But it's a fun concept, right? Some of these colors, though, are a little out there. Like this brown and orange, that is a weird combo. Just gonna do the ends here. That is crazy, though. That's kind of fun, the way these work. The yellow is really hard to see. It's kind of like a highlighter. Ooh, that green is so bright. There's the pink. Sorry, I'm not using the right names for the packaging. I just go by the color. This is the lilac. The pink is peony. And I think this is blue. It's very fun. These are very fun. I know I would mention kids a lot, but these would be fun for your kiddos, that's for sure. This would keep them content for traveling, so maybe that's why they put these in here. These are cool. I'm just not fond of the brown and orange. They should have maybe changed this to a different color. But I think they're really fun. You just have to play with them. Super cool. I'll have to find a way of how using these functionally for like color coding in your planner. But definitely this would be fun for doodling, for Bujo. You know, definitely this would be a pen collection that I would put in my bag for traveling. When I go to travel, I think I took a couple of pens that I haven't used before that I wanted to have the opportunity to do a little doodling in my travel petite booklet by Erin Condren. So those were the fun items that Erin Condren sent me to share with you guys their new on-the-go travel collection for the spring. You guys let me know what you think about the collection and if there's anything that you'll be picking up, or do you have plans? Do you have any spring break plans? I definitely think I may pick up the leopard. They have another option for the clear tote and it's in the leopard. It's super cute. And then they have new weekender bags. They have like this pretty teal one, and I think it's more of like a puffy material. Again, I'll try to insert more clips in the video, but thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.